I've had the pleasure of speaking to many audiences over the years. I think this is going to be the most difficult speech I've ever made. But I promise that it won't be too dull. This is after all is a celebration tonight. So I'm here to tell you a very brief story. I've been asked to speak just for 3 minutes, and I hope I'm able to make it in 3 minutes. He stands on the side of the street with his hand on his head in total despair. He's looking out at the field that has been drowned by Hurricane Melissa. He looks behind him. He sees his wife. He sees his 2 daughters. Their eyes are red from the wind, from the pelting rain. Tears run down their cheeks from the realization that they have simply just lost everything. The youngest daughter is holding on to a school book. It's soaking wet. Her arms are shaking. Her fragile, beaten body struggling to stay upright while standing on the wet, moving mud. This is not a Hollywood story. This is happening right now on the south coast of Jamaica. He is a farmer. His name is Norris. And it wasn't too long ago that Norris was speaking so proudly of his tomatoes, the green onions, the yam, all the things that he grew for his #1 client, which was a hotel in Montego Bay. A hotel that is now closed. So he has to figure out a way to tell his daughters, don't worry, everything is going to be all right. Now, the reason why I'm telling you this story is because, quite frankly, we have to open. Opening up our hotels, our attractions, is not a way of pretending that everything is fine. We know everything is not fine. But if we close tourism, the suffering will merely spread. The hotel that used to go and buy products from that farmer will cease to exist. The farmer will not be able to get money to buy produce, to buy pens and pencils or whatever it is that they purchase from the shopkeeper. And the cycle of life across many villages in my home country will cease to exist. We have to open up. We will open up. We do know that we have to rebuild for the locals. We know we have to build homes which have been destroyed. We know that we have to continue to clear roads. We know we have to build hospitals which have been destroyed. But we know that the only way to do that is in a powerful way that, quite frankly, only Jamaicans can do. Jamaica has to do it to the rhythm that Jamaicans understand. Now, I'm going to stand here today without any embarrassment whatsoever and to say, while we are a country that has historically punched above our weight, while we are a country that has given the world so much, we are hurting right now. And we're asking you to continue supporting, as I know you have. Continue pushing. The world will see the power of Jamaica, but the world will see the power of Jamaica quicker if we can do it in partnership with this tourism industry that has become more than just a commercial activity. It has become the family. It has become the path of prosperity for so many around the world. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm here asking you, do not pity us. We have enough and I don't take this the wrong way, but this is difficult for me. The cup is running over with thoughts and prayers. We've received enough of those. We're grateful for them. We received enough. We need money and we need business. So Jamaica is not closed. Jamaica is hurting, but the healing has already begun. Many of my hotels called me today while I was driving to the Montego Bay airport, and they said, Philip, do me a favor, tell them we're opening in a matter of days. Many attractions are there waiting to welcome visitors right now. So sell us, help us recover quickly, and please allow me the opportunity to call Norris tomorrow morning and tell him that yes, he can tell his daughter that everything is going to be all right. Thank you.